This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, this morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way, promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't.
If you want to get some good angles and hold the camera, that'd be great.
This ride's huge.
Don't drop it. You're in charge of it.
I'm dead serious. Actually? Oh, it's cute. I love it.
Your mom's like famous. Is it recording right now?
Yeah. Does it have that red blinking?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't look. Oh yeah, it is recording.
Forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are meant to be picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life, go on now. Change.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
Yeah, that organizer is so cute. These sheets do not good. Smart. They're a full-size sheet, Mom. You gotta give me some room.
Well, you got room.
No, I don't.
Can we do it?
Sure.
They're full-size
I broke a
sheets.
sweat. Is it a queen size bed?
I don't think so.
Would it be in the big room? Is it a queen size?
That's a full size. No!
Did yours not fit? Gosh, I broke a sweat.
I guess we need to get some of those like deep pockets. Well, I can't even get mine on that floor, so I don't know. Yeah, mine did that.
Why?
I don't know, but as soon as I put the topper on, they just did not fit at all.
Did it fit without a topper?
Yeah.
You think I should take his flat sheet off and just put it somewhere?
No, because that's the mattress protector.
Yeah.
Wrong way on.
I mean, I would just, it ain't coming off.
Yeah,
worry
just
about
leave it on there right now. Instead of fighting it.
Don't worry about it coming off.
I can get queen size tomorrow.
Yeah, they're fine for now.
Yeah.
Can you get those sides on? Yeah, it's the last corner that don't fit.
I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, I know it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of
you. Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to.
Good enough.
These are so quick. Help me, Heather.
I can't tell.
Your right hand down,
Down.
just a little.
Whoa.
Right there.
Put it. Hurry. Stick it.
Good. Now one more. That ain't got command strips on it yet. Are you heavy?
Oh,
Mary, what?
it didn't stick.
I think you them over far enough.
These two. That's what you want.
Yeah, I know we need more.
See,
What do you mean? Sorry.
dang, it's sticking out all of that.
That's the wall side. That's gotta take the paint off.
Hey, I just moved it over, honey.
Oh, okay.
You're the one who did this, son.
I know. I remember.
Then it should be right if you did it.
Should be.
No, I had it straight and everything.
Okay.
Tell me.
I'm looking.
Up just a little.
The whole thing. Right there.
Right down.
Right down just a smidge.
Right there.
Whoa. Right there.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, Pam. Whoa.
He's gonna fall from the night and hit you in the head.
My first concussion. Hey, I don't have anybody outside of me, so you can bang as hard as you want on it. I don't share a wall with anybody in this place.
You don't have to look. This one just didn't feel real sticky.
Then just take them off and I'll do it. Or you'll redo it, because I can't do it right. Just do all new ones.
Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We'll lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray.
Me? Yeah. Where?
It's just the bed. It's okay.
Cut it off. Don't be yourself.
You
I
got
know,
great
it's just-
work on, it'll show.
I'm not. It's just funny.
Dang it. Yeah, you better not plug it in.
Yes, I did.
You push it all the way and I'll just don't like
I did. You're over there unplugging it.
Oh, shoot.
Just leave it. Just leave it.
I'm going to put it on the bottom one.
It was on the bottom, wasn't it?
No, it was in the top one behind the rail.
Waiting, wandering and fading. I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night, be a hope for the world so broken, be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me, make the broken things new. Yeah, I'm the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah, I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Keep my windows open,